How to scan QR code on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to scan the QR on Android, generally what you can simply do is drag up the app list, and here you'll be able to see the option of scanner, which is the default app on your Android as of now. So simply tap on the scanner application and it will look something like this, where you have to place the code inside this frame. So as you do that, you can just click on this picture and then you'll be able to scan the QR code on your Android. Next, what you can simply do is you can just launch the Play Store application on your device, and as you launch the Play Store application, you can simply tap on the search bar and search for scanning applications. So you can just tap on any QR scanner application and download it, and that's how you can scan your QR on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.